What's going on, guys? My name's Corey, coming at you with an unboxing video today. We're going to be looking at the Urthbox today. If you haven't heard of Urthbox before, they are a subscription-based business. What they do is they'll send you healthier style snacks based off of what your dietary restrictions are, whether you're gluten-free, whether you're vegan, whether you have a typical American diet and you're just looking to change things up. This is a cool way to get some new and exciting things in your diet. They also have kind of classics that you might not have heard of before, but are great alternatives for snacks. The beautiful thing about it right now, with any purchase, you will get a mini box absolutely free. So I ordered the small box. They're $29.99. They typically come with 8 to 10 things in them. And then the dollar amount for everything in the box is going to be a little bit more than that $29.99 price point. They are monthly. So if you make an order, it ships out on the 15th of every month. So if you order right now, you're not going to get it until later October. But without further ado, let's get into the boxes. Okay, let's start with the mini box. We'll move this guy over here. This guy, that's my personal information. That's $10 gift card towards your first order. How does that work? I just ordered this one. This will be my second order. I don't understand how that works, but I guess I can give it to a friend, maybe? Popped lotus seeds. I can't say I've ever had these before, so this should be interesting. What do we got here? Pomegranate vanilla flavored cashews. I do love cashews, so these should be really good actually. $100 wine voucher. Okay, this has got to be too good to be true. Okay, so $100 wine voucher, but you need to spend $160 to get the voucher. I don't drink, so anybody who sees this video that wants this, give me a holler, because I don't need it. Maybe I'll give it to my mom or sister if you guys are like lucky. Right here, 100% pure Indian tea, single serve loose leaf tea. What kind of tea is it? I'm assuming a black tea, because it's an Indian tea, but we'll see. What's we got here? That's it. A zesty, it feels like a bar. It honestly feels like, what are those things that you eat as a kid where you they're like a fruit stick bar thing? Okay, I probably sound really ridiculous right now, but if you know what I mean, fruit to goes. It feels like a fruit to go. Because it's made with 1 apple, 1 pear, and some ginger. So I'm thinking this is just like an organic version of a fruit to go. What is this? Pickle ice. Is this I think this is a pickled flavor FREEZIE. Is that what I think? I think this is a pickled flavored FREEZIE. We got some gum, aspartame free, Rescue Plus. These look kind of like Vicks or Halls, but again, kind of like a different version. What are you? Herbal Zap, Ancient Wisdom, that's good to go. Party Detox, so I'm assuming this is a hangover cure. That's kind of cool. Again, I don't drink, so I probably will never use this. But in case I do, I have it. Okay, so now on to the small box, otherwise known as the main event. Yes, the main event. Open this bad boy. Alright, so already I see some similarities, but that's okay because it was free. Extra snacks are perfectly fine. Again, we have the popped lotus seeds. Again, I've never tried these, so this should be good. Of course, we have the $10 gift certificate again. Again, I'll give that to a friend. The cashews again. The pickle ice freeze pop. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Me and pickles have a love-hate relationship. I don't like sweet pickles, but I like dill pickles. So if this is kind of like a dill pickle, this could be really, really good. Again, the wine voucher. But now I see some different stuff. So we have some aloe juice. I drink this stuff all the time already. I've never had the pineapple and guava flavor, so this will be cool. If you haven't tried this before, it has little bits of aloe right in it. And it's very, very hydrating. And it has a very cool and refreshing taste as well. What else we got in here?
Okay, see this is probably gonna be my favorite thing in the whole box. This is some 100% Arabica coffee. I'm kind of a coffee snob. I really like coffee. I drink coffee every day, if not a couple times a day. So this is probably what I'm most excited about right now. Again, our fruit to go thingy, same flavor. Ooh, this could be really good actually. High protein weight loss bar, vegan, gluten free, no soy, no dairy, but it's s'mores flavor. So being vegan myself, the one thing that I always found is you kind of get stuck with your typical flavors, chocolate, vanilla, whatever. So s'mores, that's cool to see. Change it up a little bit. Go macro bar, gluten free. Sweet Awaken, does this have coffee in it? I think. Yes, okay, so this actually has a little bit of coffee or cacao in it, so it helps wake you up in the morning, but it's kind of like a chocolate bar, mocha chocolate chip, should be pretty good. Oh my goodness, I love dark chocolate chips, real food bar. I don't know if this is like a big piece of chocolate or like, okay, no, okay, so it's like, kind of like a trail mix bar, but it has dark chocolate in it. This will be really, really good. Organic herbal tea, loose leaf. Because it's a can, I'll open it. If it was in a bag, I would not open it because then it's not fresh anymore, I guess you could say. How does this work? Can you see that? Can you see that? I don't know. So this is, it says it's loose leaf herbal tea. I used to work in a tea shop. This is actually rooibos tea. It is a caffeine-free tea, but it is not a herbal tea. Herbal teas wouldn't have any actual tea leaves in it. A rooibos tea, it has actual tea leaves in it. It's just a non-caffeinated tea from South Africa. A little bit of a pro tip for you. So this is not a herbal tea, it is a rooibos tea, but no caffeine in it, so it's great for before bed. It looks like this one, yeah, see, rooibos tea right in it. But it's gonna be a orange and vanilla style flavor. This should be really calming before bed. Looking forward to that. Natural vegan protein, chocolate flavored. Like I said, you kind of get stiffed with your chocolate or vanilla, but I'm okay with that. I really, really do like chocolate. So we'll have to throw this in a smoothie or something. I think this is 1 serving, I'm assuming. Cool, cool. What else do we have? And the gum Rescue Plus and our party detox, just like the other box. So I'm actually pleasantly surprised with these. It came with some cool stuff, things that I've never personally tried before, things that I probably wouldn't normally pick up on my own, especially pickled flavored freezies. I've never seen this before, ever. I've never even heard of this. I never knew this was a thing. So this I'm kind of excited about, but I'm kind of nervous at the same time. But yeah.
All in all, guys, I'm pretty happy with my purchase. I can tell you right off the bat, this tea is probably like $20 on its own for this little tin. So $29 for all this. I can't complain at all. I've got some cool snacks that I'm looking forward to try. Definitely don't forget, rate, comment, subscribe, hit that little notification bell just in case I do release some stuff in the future. You'll be first to be notified about it.